So guys, today we'll be telling people the difference between our countries.
Don't go blow my face inside now.
Who are you? Read something for us.
Okay. Step forward if your country girls have nyash.
Come back. Which one of your country get nyash?
We dey get nyash now.
Calm down. You people dey get nyash.
What do you mean? What
Your own are just God gift.
See, I get
Go
nyash.
back. You don't get nyash. You people dey in our country. They don't say you. You people need to get nyash.
But I represent my country.
Go back.
Okay, let's go.
Step.
Step forward if your country have good music.
Oh, you know that one. You people get music. Kai, come on, go back. Why did go back? Look at that way. Turn your chair.
So they do this.
Stay back there, my friend.
Okay. Step forward if your country people know they live fake life.
Take like the kid and get out. Take like too much. Yeah.
Step forward if your country have good food.
Hi. Come on, go back.
We get good food now.
I will come on your
We
teeth
get
now.
good food. I'm saying we get good food, John.
Something when they chop AZM and
Remember, SGM will not be food.
Now will not be food. Go back.
Yeah, I know they go back. We get good
See
food.
person over
We have Polish stew.
Mechano first. Over salad don't finish. Over no go. All this food chop, you don't finish.
You never chop Polish stew
If you
before.
move your leg again, I'll move you.
I know
Yeah,
they-
let's go.
I know they go back. I know they go back. I know they go.
Go back. Stay here. Sure.
Okay, let's go.
Which one of Polish get better food?
Step forward if your country girls love genuinely.
Nigeria getting love everything. If you don't get a good, they don't love you. They don't love you at all.
Thank God they try.
Nigeria getting the love.
Thank God say your saints they reach that side.
If you don't get money, forget it.
Okay. Step forward if your country have good president.
There they go. There they go.
Come on.
There they go. Okay, go back.
My country, I'm so proud of my president.
Go
Come on,
back.
stay on play,
Go
my
back. I
friend.
know they like that kind of
No.
play. Go back.
Stay watching.
I will call Baba Blue now.
Okay, let's go. Step forward if your country has the most beautiful girls.
Hey.
They know they cap. Where they go?
Come on, our Nigeria girls fine too. Waiting.
How will they fine?
We're fine.
Okay. Step forward if your country girls can cook.
Ha.
Go back. You people, come on, go back. What else do you? What else do nothing the day inside? Nothing. They'll carry chicken. They
That
don't
is
put
the
spice.
nature
They
of
don't
our
put
stew now. Who shall be say?
If you move again, I'll move you.
That is the nature of our food
Go
now.
back.
Wait, how wanted they cook again?
No, I don't sabi cook anything. You sabi cook before you can't. You don't be Nigerian food. You chop like this.
Okay, let's go.
No, they block me. No, they block me.
They block you.
No, they block
Let's
Get
go.
my back.
Step forward if your country has the best hair texture.
Ha! I'm supposed to go past you, sir.
If I not see you,
There you
you
go.
still get X textures. X texture. All of
There you
them still
go.
fine. We get dread.
Small dread. If not be because when I don't feel combo na hair, I make una dey leave and make automatically low.
Step forward if your countrymen are caring.
Hey! If you move, I shoot you.
Our carry-
If you move, I shoot you.
Wait,
If
which
you
one be-
move, I go bust your
Nigerian
belly.
men no dey
Listen,
carry.
If you
wait.
move, I go bust your belly.
Wait,
No
wait,
try me.
wait,
Stay there.
wait, listen, we know
Oga.
they carry me before you don't there like this.
Stay.
Come on,
Oga,
my
go
friend.
back. You cannot classify the whole country.
Cushion we classify the whole country.
Move, Oga. Madam, call
Go
the
back.
next one.
The most, our men are very caring.
Na lie, Oga.
Don't talk that thing.
Because say they care, no mean all of them they care.
Man,
Yeah,
talk-
Utuna
see.
have for beer.
Man,
Talk
tell you,
another
if you
one.
talk about women, I feel no agree.
Talk
but
another
you see
one.
men,
Talk another one.
Oh yeah. Let's go. Which nationality will you be in your next life?
I will still be Nigeria.
Hey, me,
now.
I go still be my country.
I will still be Nigeria.